Ice on the motherfucking rock.
No sir, 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 no sir. No Maybach, but I ain't got a chauffeur. I'm in it for the bread, put you in a toaster. Hey, yes sir. Gotta look older, was a young flexer. You know that it's a go, cause my jacket checker.
It's too goddamn early for this. Remember when I was telling y'all in the last vlog, bro, or in my live, that I knew somebody took that damn trailer with the blowout? Bro, here go the trailer at the other location. Like, bro, what are these truckers doing, bro? Like, what are y'all doing? Literally. I was literally looking for this specific trailer at the last location. So I'm like, bro, there's no way that tire got fixed. Somebody moved this trailer and moved it to the next location. Like, come on, bro. And the crazy part, I had connected to this trailer. Then I did my pre-trip. I'm like, bro, ain't no way it's that same trailer I was looking for yesterday, because I was gonna report it. And it got a load under it, bro. Like, come on, bro. Like, that makes no sense. But let me finish doing what I'm doing, bro. YouTube. Hey man, what's going on? It's your boy Fish, back with another one. Man, bro, let's talk about that back, bro. Let's talk about that back I just did. I ain't gonna lie. This morning, bro, I'm not feeling it. I'm already a little frustrated and a little irritated. To begin with, let me just tell you how my morning started. To begin with, I started my morning off leaving the terminal, and I got into it with the security desk, like the security office at the gate. Bro, I got into it with them because they like they basically trying to tell me that my enforcer lock was on my trailer room. Which, mind y'all, I have my enforcer lock on, but like, y'all know how some of these trailers, like how the hinges be like unaligned, so you can't even put the enforcer lock on properly. So I'm trying to tell the dude at the security desk, I'm like, man, look, I have my enforcer lock on, but it is very hard for me to put my enforcer lock on the right way because the hinges not straight. My trailer doors are closed properly, but the hinges are like off a little bit. And so he basically tried to tell me like I couldn't leave until I got that fixed or whatever. And I'm like, bro, what? So eventually, after about a couple of minutes of waiting, he finally let me go. He was like, I'm just gonna note that to security, to the actual security. And I'm like, bro, in my head, I'm like, bro, you see I have an enforcer lock on. I'm literally just going, like, I can see if I'm OTR and I'm traveling to another state. Bro, I'm literally going right down the road, dropping this trailer, and I'm going to pick up another load. Like, I don't know, bro. There was that. Then I get here trying to back. I really didn't have a lot of time. Well, I had a lot of time because obviously I'm on the wheel, but I just felt so rushed back at my trailer in there, and it caused me to be a little crooked and all that stuff. I had to keep pulling up and all that. But more of the story, I got it in there. I didn't hit anything. It's always good when I do that. And then what got me even more irritated was I'm getting ready to find an empty trailer. I go and I look at the first empty trailer. Like, I ain't even doing an inspection on it yet. I just looked at I just went in the back of the dock and I seen one trailer was empty, and I was gonna take the first one. I grabbed that trailer, I connect to it, and then I begin to do my pre-trip, and I'm like, bro, this is that same exact tire that's that same exact trailer that I was talking to y'all about last week Friday, bro. It is currently Tuesday. That was last week Friday when I had put it on the vlog and I was on live, and I'm like, bro, this trailer got a blowout. Tell me why somebody done drove that trailer all the way to they drove it all the way down into Westlake and all the way back here to LaPorte. They still didn't get it fixed, and then now you got it over there and it's loaded. Like, bro, what? Like, I don't understand what people be thinking or doing in their head, bro. Like, that did not make no sense to me, bro. But anyway, I'm about to hit the road. I'm about to go all the way to Westlake. I will see y'all when I get there. All right, man. Your boy might be out of luck today, man. I was supposed to I'm supposed to be here at Westlake probably like around. Hold on, I'm supposed to get there at 11. It's 11:32. I've been in traffic for a little minute. I don't know what happened right here. I think it might have been an accident, but I'm really pushing for time right now because I don't know if I told y'all the last vlog, but that location that I just delivered at, they changed their hours. They changed the hours from 4 to 3:15. So I can no longer deliver it after, at 4. It has to be before 3:15. Like, they will not take you no more. And I need to be loaded. Like, I need to be at that at Westlake at least by 12, and they had me loaded by 12:30, so that I can at least make it there before 3:15. That way, I don't have to drop the load again in the morning or something. Which honestly, I don't even know why. I asked my driver leader. Well, actually, the driver leader that I asked yesterday is not my normal driver leader that will normally be on this run. It's somebody else. I literally asked him to T-call his loads so that I can just get 2 Westlake's loads, bro. Because me delivering a load like that, I'm not making no money, bro. So just like, I was asking if I could just T-call, and I could have been at Westlake to this morning, and I could have had 2 loads. But since I had to deliver that load, I had to I had to literally deliver it at 8 o'clock, which already put me back time anyway. Oh, I don't know. But I've been sitting in this traffic. Hopefully it clears up, and hopefully I can get there by 12 at least, like 12 the latest, so I can deliver this. So I can get loaded and delivered. Cause this right here is a little crazy. But I will see y'all when I get to load. Alright, man, so I still winded up making good time on this load. Cause where I was just stuck in traffic, it was an exit, and I was using my tracker path, and it was basically telling me it was no other route. So I used my maps, and my maps took me through a route to where I was able to get my truck and my trailer through. And then eventually my tracker path updated, and then it caught me on track onto the route. So I was able to make it here on time. But now that I'm here, shoot, they telling me I might not get loaded until another hour, because all 8 of the docks they have are full. I've literally never seen this location this full on the docks. Like, they are full as hell. I'm gonna have to wait. And then, like I told y'all, that location that I delivered to this morning, LaPorte, they changed their deliveries from 4 o'clock to 3:15. So if I can't get loaded in time here, that's gonna really mess me up on the back end, because tomorrow I have 2 loads, and if I gotta get rescheduled to deliver this again at 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm not making no good money. And then tomorrow, hopefully if I do have to like, if this load do have to get rescheduled, which I'm praying it don't, but if it do, hopefully that Thursday I get 2 loads. Like, I for sure get 2 loads, because Friday I have a dental appointment at like 2 o'clock, and I wouldn't even be able to do 2 loads. I'd probably only be able to do 1 load. So this week paycheck is gonna be really, like, it's gonna be short as hell. Just for the simple fact that already Monday, I didn't get to do 2 loads as it was Monday. Today, if they can't get me loaded, then I'm gonna be looking at not being able to do 2 loads today, and then that's gonna just mess up my week. But it is what it is. Hopefully they can move pretty quick, since they got so many people in line and they not moving slow, because they tend to move slow when it's just a couple of trucks. But since there's so many trucks, I see a whole bunch of forklifts moving over and speeding, so that's a good sign. But I'll let y'all know when I'm back into that dock and when we load it, so we can get up out of here and make good time for our load. Alright, man, I am docked. It is 12:33, as y'all can see right here. 12:33. I need to get me a 360 camera or something, so I can stick on the outside of my truck, so y'all can see me back in some of these spots, because this was a blind side. It was a blind side setup, but it was a sight side back. So like, I had to set up my sight side by doing the blind side, if that makes sense. I just had to, like, position my truck and trailer diagonal all the way over there, diagonal to the left, and then I kicked my trailer all the way to the right over here, to where I could see on my left side, and then I backed it in. I really wish I was able to record that. Well, I could have recorded it, but that would have mean I'd have to hold my camera outside my truck and all that. I was like, you know what, I ain't doing all that. So anyway, they just told me that now that I'm docked, it was like it's gonna be a little wait, which I knew, because like I said, all 8 docks are docked. Like, literally, it's a truck at every single spot. And I think it's only like 3 or 4 forklift workers. So I might not make this delivery today, which is gonna really suck. I'm gonna keep my fingers crossed, because right now I'm looking at my trucker path, and it says, based on the time that I made right now, it says 2:37. So yeah, we might be out of there, dog. But anyway, I'll let you know when I'm done getting loaded and what's gonna happen after this. So stay tuned. All right, man. I don't know if y'all can see my trucker path, but it says 3:22. I just called my driver leader, like letting them know, like, hey, I just got loaded. I know I'm supposed to be there at 3:15, but like, is there any way that I can still deliver this load? Because I don't know, I'm gonna have to wait till tomorrow to deliver this load, and I got 2 loads. So I'm gonna see what they say. But I'm about to hit the road. I will see y'all when I get there, or if I get to the terminal, who knows. But I will see y'all later.
MT, you made this?
Whew, what a little crazy, weird angle back I just did. That was a terrible setup. But we got it in there. And bro, I had this drive over there. That drive right over there was all in my way while I was trying to back. Like, he was in my way on my setup. And I was trying to tell him, like, he was an experienced driver, by the way. I was trying to tell him to just go ahead and go, like, cause you in my way on my setup. Like, he was literally parked like right over there, and I was trying to get my trailer straight as possible, so when I do my setup, I could be good. So I don't have to come in at the angle that I came in at. So I'm trying to tell him to, like, just go ahead so I can set up my back. But he's sitting there like, no, you good, you good, you good. I'm like, nah, bro, just go. He's sitting there trying to argue with me. So, you know, I was like, forget it. And I'm trying to back. As I'm trying to back, he's pulling up. He's pulling his truck up all in my way while I'm trying to back, while I'm trying to make my adjustments. I'm like, bro, come on, bro. Luckily, I had all this space over here to pull. I pulled all the way up there. Like, I pulled straight up over there, all the way over there. And then I did like a straight line back, and then I hard cut it in, because that dude there was all in my way. Then he was laughing at me and stuff. Like, bro, I wouldn't take me this long had you just went over ahead and just left like I told you to go. But anyway, another thing too, bro. They told me that this shipper closes at 3:15 now. Bro, they still open till 4. They still open till 4, and they still take loads to 4. So I don't know where that communication came in at, or what happened. But I just know that they open till 4 now. That's weird. But I am about to drop this trailer. I'm about to pick up an empty, and I'm gonna head to the terminal because I need to get, like, I still got to do a whole turn and burn back out there to Westlake so I can wake up in the morning and do 2 loads. But I'm tired, bro. I do not feel like driving that. So yeah, let me drop this trailer and I will see y'all to pick up the next one. But yeah, I remember this morning, right? I literally told y'all about that trailer again. That trailer gone. Somebody took that trailer. Like, I don't know what it is or why somebody keeps taking that trailer. Like, I ain't gonna lie, I literally saw that trailer on the road today. It passed by me. I didn't see the driver, but it passed right by me with that blowout. I don't know what they doing. Why they keep taking that trailer, but whatever, bro. Well, here go an empty. There's this one right here. I don't want that. Oh no, this is actually a good trailer. He got the slide door. Take that one right there. But yeah, I don't know what they doing, bro. I don't know why they keep taking that trailer. And the crazy part, it's already annotated that the tire is messed up. So I don't know why they keep taking it. It's just crazy. But look to this trailer right here, and I'm up out of here. All right, man. I'm just gonna cut the vlog right here because I do not feel like picking my camera back up, wasting time and everything. I do need to be up out of this area or determine everything by 5:30. It's currently 4:17, so I'm about to just chill for a little bit, relax my mind because I do gotta go back on the road. I would just drive right now, but I'm a little tired, bro. I do not want to get back out there like that. So I'm gonna take a little break, probably like a 20 to 30 minute break, and then hit the road again. And then I will see y'all in the morning. So with that being said, I love y'all. Your boy Fish out. Peace.
AJ keep telling me unleash the beast who been dormant inside, but they come with intensity. V3 said I know you silent, but they can't out rap you. That's why they keep trying to get rid of me. These niggas not in my range, they'll never come close. They can't get near my proximity. They love to fear my potential and talent. It's like I was born with antagonist energy. Back concentrated, regained all my focus. I see they still love to chase fame. Keep bending flames with no lighter. I'm feeling like Zuko, play with me, get scorched with these flames. Niggas be cheating, can't stop being tended by hoes. Will never be one and the same. Free for our battle, but it's still me versus me, cause I'm the last one to remain. If you ever switch up, just know I'ma be out for vengeance and get back, don't have a date on it. I treat my pill like a sword when it's time to be used. I decapitate every opponent. Don't care who they send after me, cause you gon' face my records. I'm feeling just like Meliodas. Hit after hit, cause you know I don't miss. Blessed with a curse, but it's all cause I'm chosen. Nobody real up, cause pretending the trend. Kept time we drop, cause my R won't end. Took some time up, but I returned again. I'm a bitch just like Gohan, I fight for the win. Live off our letters, cause Nova my clan. I get so high, I don't know where to land. If you think you better, you don't stand a chance. They don't get bigger pictures, they minds can't expand. Only fear God in me that despots who I am.